Pati brief basa. What a beautiful morning. Program today, tempo run at 5:30 to 5:45 long pace. 1 km warm up and then proceed tayo sa goal pace natin na 5:30. Papunta tayong Forest Lake. It's about 2 kilometers away from here, from where I am right now. I hope it goes well. Tempo run, tempo run. These are my favorite. Just 200 for warm up. It's beautiful morning. Good morning, good morning. Okay, 5:30. 2 kilometers. Yeah, so it's a wonderful day. Let's go out. It's a wonderful day to live, man. And it's also a wonderful day to die. Good morning. So 3 kilometers, 2 kilometers na tayo nasa 5:30. That's great. Hi sir, good morning. Tapos na ako. Ay, tapos na. Sige sir. Magandaan dito ngayon. Babad ka sa araw habang maaga pa. Magparo kayo. Labas na tayo. Morning. When I go down 1 kilometer, I'm just happy. There are strangers out here na pinapansin yung pawis mo. They will compliment you. Ayos na exercise na sir. I don't know them. I just smile back and say thank you. Pero thank you. Thank you. Ibang-iba kasi yung pawis mo kapag speedruns, temporan. Sobrang basang-basa compared sa mga long runs. Feels good. Dito sa papuntang Malasiki, mga tao dito mabait. Pag dito ka dumaan, pag jogging ka, ganda. Another one, yung nakita ko kanina, kuya, na mama kanina, papunta. Nakita ko ulit siya babalik. Nakakaingit daw yung pawis ko. Nakakaingit yung pawis ko. But, alright. Post. Alam nyo, it's sharing of frequency or vibration kasi yan. When they see you smiling when you're jogging, they're not afraid to approach you. Pero kapag ikaw yung bumikis yung itsura mo habang tumatakbo, parang pasan mo lahat. What sila? Alam nila bad trip ka eh. Kapag nakangiti ka na tumatakbo, you're acting like you really love what you're doing, people will approach you. Pero wag naman palagi. They might think you're crazy shit. Yung sakto lang. Saktong ngiti lang. Parang ganyan. Nakangiti ka na tumatakbo. Kasi you're enjoying life. You're seizing the moment. May isa pa kanina, nakamotor. Kahit naman nandito ako sa lane na outer lane dito. Binabaran ako ng busina. You know what I did? I said sorry. There are those people na ayaw mag-share ng road. Bakit yung gising sa umaga? It's not your fault actually. It's their problem. Not yours to take. Okay? 6:97. Patapos na yung program natin. Bukas ulit. Takbo tayo. Mare. Workout ended. Thank you, self. Another day.